We are the team of AI SPAP, and we have developed an analytical tool for disease prediction with preliminary precaution care. So, how did we come up with this idea? We all know that with the recent pandemic, everyone is practicing social distancing, and we are trying to avoid human interaction as much as possible. But when it comes to healthcare, that is not avoidable, and we would like to go to the hospital and get ourselves checked. But due to the current situation, where if we have to avoid for the safety of ourselves and also thinking about the doctors who are treating us all right now. So, with this and on a basic research, we found out that 75% of the healthcare costs are present on the spent on the preventable diseases, and just 54.5% is on just the primary physical physician checkups that people go to. So, to avoid all this, we have come up with an idea of an product. So what this product does is it gives a key insights for the patients to predict a disease based upon the symptoms that they give it to us, and they will also try to provide the precautions that they should practice, and we try to see a trend among these patients and try to predict that they likely might get this kind of disease. And in addition to that, we are also trying to maintain this records and give an insight to the doctor about their patients so that they have a track about it, and try to give the suggestions to the patients when they visit them either virtually or in person. So our main objective is firstly to give accurate prediction of the disease. So let's say be it a little stomach pain, or from taking it to some cancer or heart attack or any kind of disease. And the why we are trying to give it an importance is because we're trying to predict it at an early stage, which is why we are keeping in track about the patient's history. And the other feature is the doctors, they see a lot of patients, and now this being virtually, they have a lot of patients, and they have to keep a track and try to advise each patient separately. So this tool provides them an insight about how the patient's health is being cured and everything, so that they can personalize and give a faster accurate results to them. So, and one more feature that would be great is when the patient provides this symptoms, it would be our responsibility to tell them whether, okay, your symptoms are critical, it is better you go and meet the doctor in person, or just that we will provide a virtual session for you. So we can show you a quick demo. So this is how our site looks. Now I'm trying to log in as a patient. So once I log in, so this is the basic page where I'll have to give my symptoms and ask the tool to diagnose it for me. So let's say I'm having some kind of itching and some skin rash, and let's say what is it trying to tell me. So the model that we have generated tries to take this input and it tries to give me an prediction of what problem I may have. So this is very basic one that I've done, that it goes and it tells that you have a fungal infection, and it also gives a description about what it is and the precautions, like bath twice and use Dettol or wear clean clothes and etc. And let's try another one. So let's say I'm having stomach pain and also some joint pain. So it is given a disease called osteoarthritis, and it has described about what it is. And because this is a very vague one, it is also told the probability is only 65%. So if I try to provide more symptoms, it would give me more accurately. And so it has also given me the precautions of what I should do. So now this is how a patient would see our tool, and this is like the history of my when I want to see what have I what have I had the problems and how have it been solved. So let's say on this particular dates I have had the symptoms and how many days I took to recover. All these calculations will be made, and this it will give us cured when the doctor has and the patient has agreed that the cure has been done, and the health meter showing the basic thing that the patient has been a healthy person or not. So let's see how a doctor would see our tool. So I'm logging out and I'm trying to log in as a doctor. So the doctor would basically see the dashboard of all his patients. So he will have a count about how many visits he had. So using this, we will try to monitor how many people are coming and how many cases has been solving and all. And also we are trying to maintain the public health records of how the cough or flu, that is the basic generic uh, virus or something that is going on, and how many cases have been recorded on that particular thing. And this is like whatever suggestions he has given, the medicines he has prescribed and to patients and everything. But if at all he has to provide individual reports to each patient, or if he wants to track about a person whose health is not at all good, so here